If you live in the metropolitan St. Louis area and you're sitting on a 2 to 3% interest rate, wondering if you're basically stuck, this video is for you because I keep hearing the same thing. I have a 3% interest rate or better. I'd be crazy to move, but listen, it's not a silly thought. It's a real concern. But here's what I want you to consider. This decision is not just about your interest rate. It's about opportunity cost. Most homeowners right now are focused on one number, and that's their mortgage rate. But the smarter question isn't, should I give up my 3% rate? The smarter question is, what does my current equity allow me to do right now? Because here in St. Louis, a lot of homeowners have built significant equity over the last 5 to 7 years. So let's break this down calmly and logically. First of all, let's talk equity growth. If you bought or refinanced when interest rates were 2 to 3%, chances are your home has appreciated and potentially appreciated a lot. The equity might give you options you didn't have before. For instance, paying off debt, downsizing and pocketing some cash, moving closer to family, or upgrading into something that fits your life better now. Second, let's talk lifestyle. Are you upsizing because you need more space? Downsizing because the kids are gone? Are you helping a parent transition into assisted living? You're just tired of stairs? Or are you wanting a different school district? Life changes don't pause just because your interest rate is good. Third, let's talk about payment difference. Yes, rates today are higher. That matters. But what matters more is the full financial picture. So sometimes the payment difference is smaller than people expected once we factor in equity, tax differences, insurance, and sometimes even eliminating private mortgage insurance or other debt. And here's something people don't talk about enough. Staying also has a cost. If you keep updating or improving your home to the point where you become the nicest house on the block, you can actually price yourself out of your own neighborhood when it's eventually time to sell. Timing matters. Inventory in St. Louis is still tight in many price ranges. Accurately priced homes are moving. Buyers are out there in force. So the question isn't, how can I give up this rate? It's, does moving make sense for right now in the future? This is math plus lifestyle plus timing, not just a rate. So if you're even a little curious what your home could realistically sell for in today's St. Louis market, let's start with the numbers. I have a free home valuation tool at whatsmyhomeworth.stlewis.com. It'll give you a starting point, and then I personally review values for accuracy because automated estimates don't know your updates, your lot, or your neighborhood the way I do. You don't have to make a decision today, but you do deserve to know your options. And sometimes clarity changes everything.